Why is the 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe turning so many heads? It's not just the bold design, it's the perfect blend of style, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. From family-friendly features to impressive performance specs, this SUV has redefined what it means to be a mid-size contender. Stick around to discover the top 10 features of this game-changing vehicle. Let's dive in. Number 1. Bold new design. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe takes a leap with its rugged and boxy design, resembling premium off-road SUVs like the Land Rover Defender. This bold styling gives it a commanding road presence, making it a head-turner wherever you go. The strong lines and unique rectangular elements inside and out ensure it's not just another mid-size SUV, it's a statement. Number 2. Spacious 3-row seating. Need space for the whole family? The Santa Fe comfortably seats 7 with its 3 rows. The second and third rows fold flat, offering exceptional versatility for passengers and cargo. Whether it's a long road trip or a grocery run, this SUV has the flexibility to fit your needs. Plus, rear air vents and climate controls ensure every passenger rides in comfort. Number 3. Advanced infotainment system. The Santa Fe boasts twin 12.3-inch screens that dominate the dashboard, blending seamlessly into the modern cabin. One serves as the digital gauge cluster, while the other powers the infotainment system. You'll enjoy features like wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and even a dual wireless charging pad that can handle 2 devices simultaneously. Number 4. Impressive performance and towing capability. Under the hood, the Santa Fe packs a turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 engine, delivering 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds, ensuring a smooth yet thrilling ride. With a towing capacity of up to 4,500 pounds on the XRT trim, this SUV is ready for your camping trailers and boats. Number 5. Fuel efficiency that keeps you going. Despite its power, the Santa Fe remains fuel efficient. It achieves 20 miles per gallon in the city and up to 29 miles per gallon on the highway with front-wheel drive. For an SUV this capable, the numbers are impressive, helping you save on fuel during those long trips. Whether you're commuting daily or embarking on long road trips, the Santa Fe's fuel economy ensures you can go further without worrying about frequent refueling. Number 6. Premium comfort and storage solutions. Hyundai has mastered the art of combining luxury with practicality. The Santa Fe's interior is filled with thoughtful touches like dual wireless chargers, generous storage spaces, and plush seating. The pass-through under the center console fits large items like backpacks, while big cubbies in the doors hold water bottles and more. Number 7. Cutting-edge safety features. Safety is at the forefront of the Santa Fe's design. Equipped with forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go technology, this SUV ensures peace of mind on every journey. Hyundai's safety systems actively work to prevent accidents, protecting you and your loved ones. Number 8. UVC sanitization technology. In today's world, hygiene matters more than ever, and the 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe has taken it a step further with its UVC sterilization compartment. Located in the glove box, this innovative feature allows you to sanitize small items like smartphones, wallets, and keys. With just the push of a button, harmful germs and bacteria are neutralized, providing extra peace of mind. Number 9. Incredible warranty coverage. Hyundai stands behind its vehicles with one of the best warranties in the market. The Santa Fe comes with a 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile limited warranty. Plus, complimentary scheduled maintenance for 3 years ensures your SUV stays in peak condition without extra costs. Number 10. Affordable luxury with trim options. Starting at $35,615, the Santa Fe offers incredible value for its features. The SEL trim hits the sweet spot, adding heated front seats, wireless device charging, dual-zone climate control, and more for a modest price increase. For those craving the ultimate luxury, the calligraphy trim delivers premium materials, larger wheels, and advanced tech. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe is more than an SUV. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether it's style, tech, or performance, it ticks every box. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on the latest cars and features. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.